everyone. I'm planting out some acorn squash, and these ones are butternut, and there's a butternut over there. The acorn squash, I'm going to plant one there where that jug is at. Those are going to be my drip waters. That's what that is there with the acorn, or the butternut, and the other acorn is going to go here. And I have another butternut planted over there. The chickens tried to dig it up already. And then I've got another acorn squash planted here that the chickens tried to dig up. I had one of those kind of tomatoes planted right about where that pot's sitting. They dug it up and killed it. That was all on Mother's Day. But I have another acorn squash I'm going to plant. I think I'm going to put it in one of these bags. And I'm going to put, that's a delicata there. And hopefully in the next couple of weeks I can get these planted out up here in this bed. And I've got a bunch of stuff planted, okra and kale. And I think that's the kale coming up there in the front, if I remember right. And some Swiss chard in the back along with the okra. So it's going along. Well, thank you. Comment below how your garden's doing, or if you have one, or your favorite vegetables. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.